29 September 2017. The Rize area of Turkey yesterday suffered an extreme rainfall event. At the moment, details are quite sketchy. The Watchers reports that at least one person has died after heavy rain caused major flash floods and landslides in the Rize region of northeastern Turkey on September 28, 2017. The person who died was identified in reports as a 40-year-old, Sungul Tolan. The incident is reported to have happened in the village of Gurp1R, near Kaili. Weather stations in the region recorded 150 mm (5.9 inches) of rain within 6 hours. There are some very dramatic videos online showing the effects, most notably the large landslide captured in this recording. This appears to be a large, rapid, potentially damaging landslide, but I can find no further details as yet. I have tried to improve a still from the video. A still from the YouTube video showing the large landslide in Rize, Turkey. NASA 24-hour global precipitation measurement data shows a large rain cell sitting over eastern Turkey, with indicative maximum rainfall levels of over 229 mm in places. NASA GMP data showing a large rainfall event over eastern Turkey. Interestingly, there are also reports of landslides in Georgia yesterday, close to the western coast of the Black Sea. The rainfall event, that I presume was responsible for this, is also visible in the GMP image. Turkey is of course no stranger to highly destructive landslides, and there are several publications, such as this one, that highlight the risks. In my paper on human losses from landslides Petleap 2010, I noted that Turkey suffered 22 fatal landslides between 2004 and 2010, with 85 resultant fatalities. See my blog post about this work. In the period since, there have been many more landslides associated with heavy rainfall. Reference Petleap, D.N. 2012. Global Patterns of Loss of Life from Landslides. Geology 4010, 927,930.